Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 13 vegetables for weight loss that keep you full and satisfied. Losing weight doesn't mean starving yourself, it means eating smarter. These veggies are low in calories, high in fiber and water content, and packed with nutrients that help you feel satisfied longer while supporting your metabolism. Number 1. Spinach. A powerhouse of nutrients. Spinach is low in calories but rich in iron, magnesium, and fiber. The fiber slows digestion, keeping you full longer. Toss it into smoothies, salads, omelets, or stir-fries. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in fiber and antioxidants like sulforaphane, which supports fat burning and reduces inflammation. Steam it, roast it, or add to soups and salads. Number 3. Cauliflower. This low-carb veggie is perfect for weight loss. You can mash it, rice it, or even make pizza crust from it. It's high in fiber and supports digestion and satiety. Number 4. Zucchini. Hydrating and low in calories, zucchini is excellent for replacing carb-heavy pasta. Spiralize into zoodles or grate into omelets and baking. Number 5. Carrots. Naturally sweet, crunchy, and satisfying. Carrots are great for snacking and full of beta-carotene and fiber. Pair with a healthy dip to avoid processed snacks. Number 6. Bell peppers. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, bell peppers are low in calories but high in flavor and fiber. Eat them raw, roasted, or stir-fried. Number 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is rich in water and fiber, making it extremely filling. It's excellent for detox and digestion. Try it sautéed, fermented, as sauerkraut, or in soups and wraps. Number 8. Kale. This leafy green is nutrient-dense, high in fiber, and surprisingly satisfying. Great raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or baked into chips. Number 9. Brussels sprouts. They may be small, but they're mighty. High in fiber and antioxidants, Brussels sprouts can help reduce cravings and improve gut health. Roast them for a nutty flavor. Number 10. Cucumber. Cucumbers are over 95% water, helping you stay hydrated and reduce bloating. They're perfect in salads or as a refreshing snack. Number 11. Celery. Crunchy and extremely low in calories, celery is great for snacking and supports digestion. Pair with peanut butter or hummus for added protein. Number 12. Tomatoes. Juicy, vibrant, and rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Tomatoes help fight inflammation and are very low in calories. Great raw or cooked. Number 13. Asparagus. This veggie is a natural diuretic, helping to flush excess water and reduce bloating. It's also rich in fiber and B vitamins. Try it grilled, steamed, or in salads. Pro tip. For best results, combine these vegetables with lean protein, like chicken, fish, tofu, and healthy fats, like avocado, olive oil, nuts. Eating a variety keeps your meals exciting and your body nourished.